guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Whitney.
And I'm Lucinda, and today we're going to be doing another makeup tutorial, but today we're going to be doing a blue spotlight eye makeup.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get on with the video.
So first we're going to go in with the Freedom Pomade in Soft Brown. Now as you can see, I've used this in every single video, so you know that we love it. We're just going to underline the eyebrow first and then just fill in the rest of the eyebrow. Now it's very important that you keep combing the product through just so that you don't get too much of a build up, and also it coats your lashes, not your lashes, it coats your eyebrows as well. And for the eyeshadow base we're going to use Set Cover Up NW15 from MAC, and we're just going to underline the eyebrow, just carve it out so that we get a crisp clean line. Now this is a concealer, so you can use it anywhere else on the face if you really want to, but I just tend to use it on the eyes as an eyeshadow base. Now I've always used concealer on the eyes as an eyeshadow base, but I would always set it. I was always too scared to just leave it wet, just in case the product clung to it, but P. Louise sorted out this technique and she's amazing, so I trust everything she says. The way that you set this product is by patting it so that it's tacky. Now we're going in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. We're going to use this turquoisey colour first, and we're just going to apply this in the centre of the lid, making a round shape. Now just keep blending and blending and blending until you don't get a harsh, it's like a harsh round circle. You want to make sure that it's blended and it's soft. It also helps if you just lift the eyebrow a little bit, just to make the eye a little bit more tighter, so it's a lot easier to blend. I'm now going to use the Magic palette by Juvia's Place, and we're just going to go in with this real dark blue colour, and we're just going to pat it on the inner corners and also the outer corners, making a semicircle. Now make sure you get this the shape that you really want. I'm just going to join it up in between, and then we're just going to take a blending brush and we're just going to buff it out into the lighter blue colour, making sure that it's a seamless blend. Now I really like Juvia's Place. I didn't really know much about the brand before, but these past few months I've really got to know the brand and I really do love it. As you can see, we're just going back in with a little bit more of the light blue colour, and then we were just going to use a clean blending brush just to blend it out. Now we're going back in with a Select Cover Up, and we're just going to carve out the inner portion just for our spotlight, just to make it spotlighty, I guess. We're now going to take a smaller brush and just blend that dark blue into the centre a little bit more so it looks more faded. Now you could really just leave it like that because it does look real pretty like that as well, but we're not going to. We're now going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. We're just going in with this dark shimmery blue colour. We're just going to pat that on the little bit of the blend that we just done on both sides, on the inner and the outer corner, just to give it a bit more shimmer and a bit more dimension. Now we're just going to add a little bit more of the Select Cover Up to the centre of the lid, and we're going to add the silver, and the Select Cover Up really helps let the silver cling on to it. Just going to add it in the centre of the lid and just where the light would hit the eye naturally. Just going to blend it in a little bit, and we're going to add some more of that shimmery blue colour just to blend out the edges so it's not harsh. Now going back in with the Select Cover Up in NW15, and we're going to apply that all under the eye just so that the eyeshadow has something to cling on to. And we're just going to buff that out with the brush, as we don't really want a mask on the face, as when it dries it sets and you just can't blend it out. And we're just going to go in with the lighter blue colour and add that to the outer and inner corner, and we're just going to blend it together in the middle just so it's really faded and cold and smoky looking. Now we're just going to add the darker blue on the inner and the outer corner. We're just going to blend that together, and we're also going to add some more Select Cover Up in the centre of the lower lashes, and we're just going to add the silvery colour underneath. This is just to give it a bit more dimension and to carry the spotlight on. You don't have to do that, it's totally optional, it's up to you. Now I'm just going in with matte Chromaline in white. I'm just going to add this to the whole of the waterline, and we're just going to set it now with the dark blue colour out of the Magic palette. But we're just going to leave the centre of the waterline, and we're just going to pat the silver on top of that. We're now going to go in with some mascara, and we're going to add that to the top lashes just before we add our lashes, and we're going to use the Unicorn lashes in PQ Pie, and these are my favourite lashes of all time. I love Eyelure as well, but these are so fluffy. Now we're just going to add the mascara to the bottom lashes. We're only going to add this to the outer inner corner, and we're just going to add some more of the white Chromaline in the centre of the eye on top of the lashes, and this is your final look. I hope you like it. I've got some more photos on my Instagram, so don't forget to check that out.
If you like this video and you want to see more next week, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to click that little bell. Until next time, bye!